With 5 major demands, KSA launched its third Peace and Awareness Rally at Inghan Langso, Bakajan on Monday. KSA submitted a memorandum to CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the introduction of Science and Commerce stream at West Karbi Anglong. Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association submits a memorandum to DC of West Karbi Anglong on Monday. Chintong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with Science, Commerce and Arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. Taneswar Theron, Headmaster of Chintong Ronghang High School. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're watching English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. KSA Bakajan Regional Committee organized a peace and awareness bike rally at Bakajan on Sunday under the supervision of KSA Central Executive Committee, manifesting 5 major demands. Several decades had completed since the establishment of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, yet many sections of the tribal communities residing in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are underprivileged and driven away from their rights. Therefore, Karbi Students Association, keeping in view of the consequences, launched a peace and awareness bike rally at Bakajan on 11 July to aware their constitutional rights to the tribal communities living in Bakajan areas. The rally was headed by Lalsing Ingti, President, Nobin Ingti, Secretary of Bakajan Regional Committee, Thangsing Timung, KSA President CEC, Buddha Terang, General Secretary, Raju Ingti, AGS, Bali Ingti, Finance Secretary, Barnabas Killing, David Pangcho, Organizing Secretary in charge, Bakajan, and Presidents and Secretaries of Hauraghat Regional Committee and Deephu Regional Committee, and several activists from Central Executive Committee attended the rally. In order to safeguard the rights of the indigenous tribes of Karbi Anglong, the KSA had demanded that the names of all non-tribal voters should be deleted from the KAAC voter list. No trading license should be given to non-tribal businessmen in order to give opportunity to the indigenous traders. They also vehemently demanded cancellation of all land patas in the name of non-tribal communities, and no further pata should be issued to them. Raising their voice against the increasing rate of unemployment, the KSA say that many deserving youths are deprived of job because of the cash for job trend in the district. They had urged upon the KAAC to take action on the job scams, and the deprivation of deserving candidates should not continue in the future.
Tumpan Karbi Anglong lapen di mahasau pen pan ajak ding klui pen litum article 244A ng pachun pinang jipu ningkan precap sosial litum kehang kataram awe apran amui kedam nang bon tame central government punon mate state government punon thang initiative NA protong de litum Karbi khai tum dojoy poma chichak lun poma hala bangso kechak kachipachak lun le jiaphan puthot Karbi rat phai tum ingthur ponang ji ingthur ponang ji amek pa phrang ponang ji athe ilitum chisong pame me ka chisong tame itum o thip rotang te ilitum kemang mokha bang chunnam de ji implement sarang for central government state government lapen non hejong Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanto Biswa Sarma kaningje pondo je inglong asu kali de tum hatame longle patta trading lasen piponji hal hai mokha de lapen separate electoral non puta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council len kopi posi patang le therek lo hal hai isia demand kipa chun serak ji phasili tum la bangso really organize.
The rally began from Delhi at around 11 a.m. More than 1,000 participants joined the rally from various locations with a total of nearly 350 bikes covering the entire Bakajan town and the interstate region.
Do inglong so khai pharman putate kopisi bang khai phai tu or people lo hala ma thapa menang ji asini tum hala hoya kemang hala hayu ning ki jang je hala ning ki pa pungpen mate rat phan isi ke pa cherok to ke pa doji bansi nitu lawang su peace and awareness rally ke pa dopon.
Anantirang's report from Bakajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Students Association, with a vision to attain quality education at West Karbi Anglong, submitted a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, at the KAC Secretariat, Dipu, on 11 July to introduce science and commerce streams at West Karbi Anglong. With a vision to uplift education in every age and corner of the district and to introduce science and commerce streams in all the higher secondary schools and college of West Karbi Anglong, Karbi Students Association, led by Samson Teron, President, with his team met CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at the Secretariat Building, Dipu, on 11 July.
KAL pendang alang tim tu ben tu madak chingwai si isi hini lam ni tu ben udun lo ye jasmet pet ni tungi pu bangke pini penda bangke pirthia danglong make akhaitin tumta science technology along klam along si ke dua din hostame pini ning du me bangke Karbi Anglong lo science le pen commerce college streams ke do college bang non ta bide sila sopu dak ko jasmet pet ni tum tuning ri dun lo pani tum chingwai long ni tum artik jik pen chingwai si tum pu dun lo je Karbi Anglong along la non ki dutang college an ka provincialized tang an Jasemet pe Difu Government College ke dutang lo setame la songbong pen kawile non provincialized lo setame science pen commerce stream kawia college do ulang sonak taxi Rukasen College Thongnokbe College Eastern Karbi Anglong College punoy Harlongbi Welongbi College le punon Dongkamukam Rangchina College le punon Samson Singh College boy Thalangso le punon Hamren Waisong College le punon Kopili College Kheroni le punon lai lai college long bang setame science pen commerce stream bang non ki bang just session pen introduce nangji pusine tum pen tuning rilo la pen la solong bang ke etu mas CM ka se menang chi chak don lo pinning non ki bang just session pen introduce je pasine tum ta chi sik bom lo sit.
After a threadbare discussion, Samson Teron, President of KSA, with his team submitted a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in presence of Team Karbi Anglong.
Education block banga jiri kindeng long amasi donang athe bangke ki dukila garara tum hello wing official kam ke claim of han pini ha jiri kindeng nang sun tu sida kherunian ke bang mangala tum ke tangka maha ka dure du pik pik la so potsi ajab jara ki sung lang tum phonang ko ati posila so office jong se hala dak pon det thuder lo pulo tangte kai teng jibi thulo pulo tangte hala dak ke do arada tum bang ke ake joy ke do pola sila son thom hormu le tum pulo la pena kun tum ke please on thugala hello Difu Government College along it admission alam pe naning kanwang ta chihuri sai la puson son do la sini tum alang tum phan chuning ri kang ke la hello Government College ke Karbi Anglong along aman ke thenai pulutang ke Difu Government College hello asila kula so college along bang epini da ka bang ke cut off marks la son si tum selamun sonte messenger ma cut off marks ki bi pen student pan merit students banan pichor setame da ka bang ke 100% ST student man si reserve kuri pen si isi cut off marks mark bi pen si la so admission procedure jong se claim bolote la so college fan an se tum ta akang tu eng deng mate tum competitive a level along la bang so college tame dodun po.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association cooperatively submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong on Monday at Hamren. Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association cooperatively submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong on Monday at Hamren. Rajan Ingling, President of Ronghang Dealer Association, and members of Cooperative Lamb Society attended at the time of submission. Now let us hear from Rajan Ingling, President of Ronghang Dealer Association, as why they were compelled to initiate this step. Here is the visual.
Charter of Demand, masuk niban alam thi asu memorandum nang pili do ni tumapon. Sila so ating pen kedam tang directly vlog level sintum la so memorandum submit lo laben pini la ke dak DC ating lo nitum la so memorandum submit lo.
While speaking to us, they also informed that in the coming days, they would be submitting the memorandum to Dispur on 18 of this month, and if necessary, they would also submit the memorandum to Delhi on 2nd August. Now let us hear the demands that were placed in the memorandum by Karbi Anglong Fair Price Shop Dealer Association.
So benke rengon epusi the All India Fair Price Federation a hinben pitik ponsi par kontel kontel isia long paro plira plikep nang pinaji laben ason si margin la so income amange Sekro jonong bong Sri Pokep ino dilar pen long nangji. Pusoda ketok.
Speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, they also reported that all the supplies that were dispatched from the central government must ensure its arrival to their destined location.
Motor pen danglok motor lopen ason si Budma Dali lakatok kawe ason an sita lakini tuma fancy itu ma traditional pinangi. Pusoda ketok pondo laposi lakatok kawe pon krehini teniling do edit sila katok kawe pon krehini alada kamenson bondo so teng pensi zenitum all India fair price dealer federation a hinben laso arpun ngi pi ateng pensi netum kedam nang tarik phila ben pi tarik krehini tarik kresi open non kewangi tarik kenar cap this pura long sita pichun.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamakam for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.